Hey guys, welcome to a video. Please make sure to like and subscribe. I know I'm wearing different glasses, but this is still the same YouTube channel. I hope you guys are watching my old YouTube, my still YouTube channel, but my old glasses broke, so I'm just getting in my car right now. And okay, still in the car. Whoa! Ow! Ay, that hurt. Ow! Ow! Seth, come help me flip my car over. Yay! For a second of entertainment. Just for a while of entertainment. For a while of entertainment. Goodbye. Okay, please like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. Boy.